Če vam omenim zgolj kraj in državo, torej Tichy in Poljska, bo marsikdo zgolj skomignil z rameni. Če pa dodamo, da je tu avtomobilska tovarna, v kateri so izdelali že več kot 12 milijonov in pol avtomobilov, je stvar verjetno malce drugačna.
So this facility has been here for almost 50 years, 47 exactly. So we've been working here over decades and several generations, right? And this represents the group of people that have built the reputation of this community and also enormous amount of know-how that is needed for car manufacturing. So far, we've made 12.5 million vehicles, and our best year in terms of volumes was 2009. This is the year in which we delivered over 605,000 vehicles to the market.
Konec septembra je tekoče trkove tovarne zapustil Fiat 500 Dolčevita, s katerim so v tovarni dosegli omenjeni mejnik v izdelavi, a skozi desetletja tu niso izdelovali zgolj Fiata 500.
Okay, so looking back at the last years, I think I should mention Fiat Panda. That was one of our best sellers, and this is when we really were ramping up and developing the plant in this century, let's put it this way, right? Then Fiat 500. Together with Fiat 500, we have to mention Avtor 500, as well as Lancia Y.
Proizvodnja električnega vozila bo za tovarno popolna novost, vendar pa to ne bo vplivalo na čas izdelave avtomobila.
So from the manufacturing perspective, actually it doesn't matter whether we make in internal combustion engine or full electric vehicle. From the very beginning of the project, and this is in line with Stellantis strategy, one of the goals that we set in front of us was to create a fully flexible production system. In the way we can quickly respond to any request when it comes to the demand, and we are ready to deliver.
Glede na težave, ki jih je povzročil COVID avtomobilski industriji v zadnjem času, pa so se pripravili tudi na izdelavo baterij.
That was also our strategical move and one of the, again, baselines of the project. So we said we have to assemble our battery pack in-house for different reasons, for logistics, for the lead time, etc. So yes, we did install a brand new battery shop. And this is where we receive different components of the then later battery. We assemble them together, we test them, and then deliver to the main line to be installed inside the vehicle.
Zdaj se v tovarni torej pripravljajo na novost, proizvodnjo električnega avtomobila, ki pa je navsezadnje novost tudi za znamko Jeep.
We're going through a profound transformation, especially in the European market. And 2 years ago, we had the opportunity to bring the 4xe technology, plug-in technology to run again in Compass. Last year we brought the Wrangler 4xe plug-in hybrid as well. And beginning of next year we'll have the Grand Cherokee 4xe. And what you see behind me is our new baby, the Jeep Avenger, which is coming beginning of next year as well, which is a full electric Jeep, the first ever. And this product is definitely going to be, in my mind, a game changer in terms of the perception, especially of the brand Jeep. Across Europe. For many years, people had the perception that Jeep was a cool brand, very associated to obviously the heritage of the brand and the freeing Europe, 80 years ago. And they had the perception that these big American SUVs had big V8, big V6, which are not really appropriate for the environment in which we live in Europe. So we think that this car is going to be really the trigger for people to start rethinking differently about Jeep, the coolness of the brand.
Če za primer vzamemo Avengerja, potem se zdi, da tudi pri Jeepu vse bolj verjamejo v električno prihodnost.
I think it's more than a belief, it's a certainty, right? It's a certainty that electrification is an opportunity for Jeep. It's not a constraint. It makes our product more capable off-road, when you go off-road because of the instant torque that you have. More fun to drive because of the acceleration and linear acceleration, and then the opportunity to be off-road in nature in almost complete silence. Meaning, listening to the birds, driving off-road slowly, surely, and enjoy your environment in nature. and taking off the doors of your Wrangler, opening the roof to the sky, removing the glasses, and driving in pure electric mode is, in my mind, the absolute fun driving a Jeep. So I think it's really an opportunity more than anything else. It's a certainty that we're going to have even better Jeep in the future.
Glede na to, da bo Avenger med cenejšimi džipi, si zagotovo obetajo njegovo dobro prodajo, ni pa to za Jeep edina želja.
So I think with this product we have the opportunity obviously to really change perception, but beyond that, from the business standpoint, we think we're going to have the best-selling Jeep ever built in Europe for Europe. So it's going to be an opportunity for the visibility of the brand as well to expand. We're not chasing volume with Jeep. We're a very big brand in Europe. In the world, we sell more than 1.2 million units per year, so we're key players. But the goal in Europe is not to become the number one in volume. Our goal is to get our customers really happy, enjoy the brand, and become our advocate and part of the community of Jeep. That's really our number one objective.